Stop! If you're over 40 and eating protein thinking you're doing it right, you might be accelerating muscle loss. I'm MG-NutriVita, a nutritionist specialized in muscle strength for people over 40, and in the next 4 minutes I'll reveal the devastating mistake that 87% of people make and how to fix it today. This mistake is stealing your strength, causing nighttime cramps, and could leave you dependent in just a few years. But before I continue, if you want to maintain your physical independence at 50, 60, 70 years old, hit that like button now. This shows me you're serious about your muscle health. A shocking study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered something that will give you chills. After age 40, our body develops something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, even when eating protein, your muscles start to reject building new muscle fibers. It's like there's an invisible wall blocking protein benefits. And you know what this causes? Those terrible cramps that wake you up at night, leg trembling when climbing stairs. The feeling that you're melting from the inside. Difficulty getting up from low chairs, getting tired just carrying groceries. But the worst is yet to come. Because 87% of people, and you're probably one of them, make a fatal mistake that accelerates this anabolic resistance. Want to know what it is? The mistake that's destroying your muscles is simple but devastating. Wrong protein distribution. Most people do this. Breakfast, bread with coffee, zero quality protein. Mid-morning, fruit or cookies, zero protein. Lunch, a small piece of meat, maybe 15 g of protein. Afternoon, sweet snack, zero protein. Dinner, that big steak, 40 g of protein all at once. This is a metabolic disaster. You know why? Because after 40 we need at least 25-30 grams of quality protein every 3-4 hours to wake up muscle synthesis. Less than that, and it's like you're throwing protein in the trash. Your body simply ignores small amounts. And more than 30 g at once, the excess becomes fat or gets eliminated. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket. No matter how much water you pour, it will never fill up. And the consequences of this mistake? They're terrifying. In just 3 months you start to notice cramps that appear out of nowhere, especially at night. Legs that fail in simple movements. Unexplained fatigue doing basic activities. Leg muscles that seem to be shrinking. In 6 months, loss of 5-8% of your muscle mass. Bones start to weaken, metabolism slows down drastically, you start avoiding physical activities. In 1 year, fall risk increases by 40%. Difficulty getting up from low chairs, loss of balance, gradual dependence starts to appear, and in 5 years, studies show you could have lost 25-30% of your muscle strength. This means wheelchair, walking stick, or total dependence on others for basic activities like bathing, dressing, cooking. Scary, isn't it? But there's light at the end of the tunnel. The good news is there is a scientifically proven way to reverse this. It's what I developed called the 30th of April 40 protocol, and it will save your muscles. It's simple, 30 grams of high-quality protein every 4 hours for people after 40 years old. In practice it looks like this. 7 a.m. Breakfast, 2 eggs plus 1 slice of cheese plus 1 glass of milk equals 30 g of protein. 11 a.m. Snack, natural Greek yogurt, 150 g plus 1 scoop of whey protein equals 30 g. 3 p.m. Lunch, 120 g of grilled chicken or fish or lean red meat equals 30 g. 7 p.m. Afternoon snack, shake with milk plus whey plus 1 spoon of peanut butter equals 30 g. 10 p.m. Dinner, omelet with 3 eggs plus cheese or baked fish equals 30 g. In just 21 days following this protocol, my patients report complete end of nighttime cramps, firmer and more stable legs, energy they hadn't felt in years, visibly more defined muscles, willingness for physical activities. Maria, 52 years old, told me, "Doctor, in 3 weeks I managed to climb 3 flights of stairs without getting tired. I hadn't done that in 5 years." But attention, every day you wait is muscle lost forever. After 45, our recovery capacity decreases 30% each year that passes. Think about it this way, if you don't act today, in 1 year you'll need 40% more effort to get the same result. In 5 years it might be too late. But if you start the 30th of April 40 protocol now, in 1 week, fewer cramps, in 2 weeks, more leg strength, in 1 month, visibly firmer muscles, in 3 months, total physical independence restored. The choice is yours, continue losing muscles silently, or take action today, and guarantee your independence at 60, 70, 80 years old. Oh, and a bonus tip that's worth gold, always combine your protein with vitamin C, a slice of lemon in water, an orange for dessert, or strawberry in yogurt. This multiplies protein absorption by up to 40%. Now I want to know from you. Leave in the comments, Protocol 30. If you're going to start this strategy today, I'll respond to each comment personally. And if you have any specific doubt about how to calculate your ideal protein, or want a complete list of protein-rich foods, comment complete list and I'll send it to your direct messages. Remember, your muscles are your life insurance. Invest in them today to reap the benefits for decades. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and share with someone who needs this information. Together we're going to age with strength, health, and in-depth.